This is Foodie Tips YouTube channel. Welcome everyone. Burgers, especially those that are fast food or heavily processed, can have several negative effects on health. When consumed frequently or in large quantities, some potential bad effects of burgers include: first of all, high in calories. Burgers obviously higher calorie food, but they have a lot of bad affection. Burgers, particularly with added toppings like cheese, bacon, and sauce, are often very calorie dense. Regular consumption can contribute to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. Number two, high in saturated fat. Many burgers, especially those made with fatty cuts of meat, can be high in saturated fats, which, when consumed in excess, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Excess sodium. Burgers, especially fast food varieties, are often high in sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Processed meats. Some burgers contain processed meats such as bacon or sugars, which may contain preservatives and additives that are linked to an increased risk for certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Refined carbs. The buns used in many burgers are made from refined white flour, which are low in fiber and can spike blood sugar levels, contributing to insulin resistance and, over time, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Lack of nutrients. While burgers provide some protein, they often lack other important nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, especially if they contain minimal vegetables or whole grain ingredients.